Good morning and welcome back to North Dakota today. Bear with us as we're setting up here. We're creating an art studio on the floor now.
Yes.
And you know them, you love them. We've got John David Birdall here to help us with the
Hello,
crafts.
everybody. Hello. I see on the there we go. Hi. I took the shoes off. I guess you can wear yours. Go right ahead.
Yes.
And so yeah, we're going to be unleashing our inner Pollock today.
Ooh.
Jackson Pollock. Okay. Yes, he was an abstract expressionist painter, and he painted on the floor, okay, in drips and sort of whips.
I
All
love
right?
it.
Yes.
I'm a little scared, but I'm mostly excited.
I know.
Yep, so I've got some paints here, all right?
Okay.
Ooh.
Yep, and they're pour paints, and there's a difference. They're acrylic pour paints, okay? So they're a little more runny, you know, a little more liquid.
And where'd you get those paints?
And so so I'm going to be teaching a class like this for Moorhead Community Education, all right? And it's called Unleashing Your Inner Pollock.
I love it.
Yes, and so I just got them they had purchased them, and so the supplies are going to be supplied for the class.
Nice.
Okay.
Yes, yes. And so there we go. And I got this.
Got
and I
lots of
brushes.
goodies.
There we go. And so let's just pour away.
We're just-
some,
How do we
for
do
it.
this? We're just going?
yeah, exactly. There we go. There, open that one. And I'm gonna.
Oh.
There we go. Let me just dump
getting
that
it
in there.
into
See,
some
now what I could
containers.
do is just take this,
Oh. Ooh.
Ooh.
okay? And so what he would do, all right, he was a big, there we go, I don't know about fan of movement and whatnot. He studied under a regionalist artist named Thomas Hart Benton, okay? And Benton really taught him how to really utilize, you know, movement in his work, okay? So there's lots of splashes. You also smoke too.
Yeah.
Jackson Pollock. And
We
there's just
might
ash
skip
right on the
that
painting.
one.
Yeah,
Yeah.
exactly. I don't think we need to, not today. Anyway, so there's
Okay,
that.
so we're just having fun with this
Oh,
today.
absolutely.
I might drop it down a level to reduce splatter.
Whoa. There we go.
I'll take over this yellow.
Sure.
Okay, I love this.
Yeah, please do.
What
and then
color
I
are
got
you grabbing?
red and blue.
Um,
Here. So I'm going to fill these up.
okay.
There we go. So I can put the brushes. Here's the blue.
Okay, I'm going to I'm going to
There is
splatter
a
it as
handle.
well.
There is a
Okay,
handle. In
great.
case you need it.
I'm scared.
Don't splatter it
Oh,
on
yes.
me.
There we go. Yeah.
not to.
Yeah, there we go.
Ooh.
That's a part of it. And you see how this is working. You see.
I
sort
like
of the
your little
lines.
dribbles.
This was not in my bingo card for the day. I
Oh,
never
really?
know what we're doing when John David Birdall comes to town.
See, and I got a brush here. And so this is what Pollock would do. He'd just kind of look at it, you know, look at what he was working on and add
the
these sort
vibes.
of. There we go. Now, does anyone know what red, yellow, and blue are, what they're called?
Primary
Yes, they're
colors.
primary colors. They're also supposed to be the colors of blood,
Oh.
I had read. Like
Yellow.
insects, mammals, and fish.
Oh, all right.
So there you go. There's your lesson for today besides art, right?
There we go.
There we go. So I'm taking this brush.
I'm so entranced by everybody's splatter patterns.
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah, this is a lot of fun. This
Well, I
is
hope
like
so.
stress relief. I don't want
Me
to
and
get it on your
crossover.
socks, John David.
Oh, that's okay. That's why I took the shoes off. So-
Okay.
Am I
Okay,
supposed to be barefoot on television? Is that okay?
I don't know if
Why
that's allowed.
Is that,
not?
isn't it?
Well, John David, tell us more about how people can come out to this class and get
Oh,
a little
certainly.
taste of what we do on TV.
Yeah, so they're going to, you can go to the community education website, okay, or their catalog. They're getting that ready. You can find this class in there. It's going to be a 4-session class or 4-week class.
Ooh.
Yes, and so we're going to start small, sort of color pencil on paper, just to get, you know, the method down, but I just jumped right to the end,
Yeah.
Heck
You know?
yeah, this is the most fun part.
you know, and so yeah, it's just a lot of feeling it, you know, looking at it and thinking like, okay, what's missing? And so at a time when like Picasso ruled the world, you know, it's like, how do you follow and act like that?
Right.
You know, and so Jackson Pollock, what he did was he just put the painting on the floor, right? And he just felt it. An individual asked him, like, what is your art about? And he had answered, what is a flower about?
Oh.
That's
You know?
real.
Yeah.
We're feeling the painting. I felt some paint flop onto my foot.
Oh, you did?
I will be yep, I did. I will
Uh-oh.
be wiping that off during the commercial
What's the
break.
color? Who's the culprit? Oh, it's
It's
yellow.
yellow.
It's yellow on your foot?
I don't even know how that happened because I was pouring the blue.
Oh my gosh.
but-
You have the yellow.
No, I think
What do you mean,
it's
shush,
splattered.
it's on television.
Call me out, John
Let's
David.
instant replay that. This is so fun. So are we splattering the whole time? Did he
Yeah.
ever,
And so,
do
yeah,
brush
there-
strokes?
No.
No,
There were
okay.
just drips and whips.
dripping.
And so, yeah, that's with you utilizing it. Sometimes, yeah, he'd take right out of the bucket and just whip it. Sometimes he'd take now I'm thinking of Devo. Is anybody a fan of Devo? Whip it and whip it good.
I love it. Okay, John David, we're also going to do something a little different today.
Oh, good.
And in our second half of the segment, we're going to grill you on some questions.
Good.
Yes.
Put me to the test. Make me earn my paycheck.
We'll keep splattering away here. Don't go anywhere. We'll continue our segment with John David Birdall right after this break.
Good.
Oh.